Self-improvement involves consciously enhancing various aspects of one's life. Goal setting is a pivotal tool in this process, providing a structured approach. Identify specific, achievable goals, break them down into manageable steps, and create an action plan. Consistent effort, adaptability, learning from setbacks, and celebrating achievements are key to successful goal achievement. Regular reflection and setting new goals ensure continuous self-improvement.
Discover powerful 5-minute mindfulness practices that can instantly transform your life. Whether it's a quick breathing exercise to ground yourself or a simple gratitude practice, these short but impactful techniques can bring a sense of calm and clarity to your day. Tune in to learn how to incorporate mindfulness into your daily routine and experience the benefits of being present in the moment.
Hello friends, it is a great honor to be here. I know that we all face challenges in our life journey, and I would like to talk about how we can overcome them. My story is also full of ups and downs. Success requires labor, perseverance, and faith. Obstacles are actually opportunities. Instead of giving up, we must believe in ourselves to overcome these obstacles. The road to success starts with believing in your own potential. Nothing can be achieved without constant work. Success is built in small steps every day. Discipline and determination bring you closer to your dreams. Positive thinking creates big change. Negative thoughts pull you down, while positive thoughts lift you up. Every morning is a new beginning and opportunity. Make it a habit to tell yourself, I can do it. Dream big and set concrete goals. Goals motivate and guide you. Step by step, you can realize your dreams. Success comes with patience, perseverance, and faith. Remember, you are strong, you are talented, and you can succeed. Life is in your hands. It will be however you shape it. The Blue Dot Effect offers a powerful dose of motivation by reminding us of our place in the cosmos. Imagine Earth as this tiny blue speck suspended in the vastness of space, a realization that instantly shrinks our problems in comparison. It's like a cosmic reset button, urging us to view our challenges with a broader perspective and a renewed sense of purpose. When we grasp the enormity of the universe and our minuscule spot within it, suddenly, our worries seem insignificant. This cosmic perspective can be incredibly motivating, encouraging us to push past obstacles and pursue our goals with renewed vigor. It's a reminder that we're part of something much larger, sparking a sense of awe and inspiration that propels us forward. Moreover, the Blue Dot Effect fosters a deep connection to our planet and its inhabitant. As we contemplate Earth's fragility against the backdrop of the cosmos, we're reminded of the importance of unity and collective action. This awareness can ignite a profound sense of responsibility to protect our world and nurture a brighter future for all. A success mindset is the recognition that one's abilities are not fixed, but can be developed through effort and learning. This mindset encourages developing strategies to overcome challenges rather than giving up when faced with them. To develop a success mindset, it is important to avoid negative thoughts, set a goal of continuous self-improvement, and learn from mistakes. To foster a success mindset, it is necessary to adopt an open attitude to learning and to see failures as learning opportunities. Reading self-help books, spending time with inspiring people, and learning new skills support this process. Setting goals and making plans to achieve them boosts self-confidence and reinforces the belief in success.
Title: Summary Motivation. Guide 1: Mindset Shift. Emphasizes the importance of changing your mindset from making excuses to taking action. 2: Personal Responsibility. Stresses the significance of taking personal responsibility for your life and choices. 3: Hard Work and Persistence. Highlights the necessity of hard work, persistence, and dedication to achieve your goals. 4: Overcoming Obstacles. Encourages overcoming challenges and obstacles rather than using them as excuses. 5: Inspirational Success Stories. Often includes motivational anecdotes and success stories to inspire and drive home the message of no excuses.
Are you looking for mental strength exercises to help you break free from anxiety? In this video, we will explore effective techniques to build resilience and overcome anxious thoughts. From deep breathing exercises to mindfulness meditation, these practices can help you regain control over your mind and find peace. We'll also discuss the power of positive affirmations and visualization to reframe negative thinking patterns. By incorporating these exercises into your daily routine, you can cultivate a strong and resilient mindset, allowing you to live a life free from the grip of anxiety. So if you're ready to take the first step towards mental freedom, stay tuned for some valuable tips and techniques to strengthen your mind and conquer anxiety.
Success is a lousy teacher. It seduces smart people into thinking they can't lose. Your most unhappy customers are your greatest source of learning. It's fine to celebrate success, but it is more important to heed the lessons of failure. Patience is a key element of success. Life is not fair. Get used to it. Your most unhappy customers are your greatest source of learning. I believe that if you show people the problems and you show them the solutions, they will be moved to act. Everyone needs a coach. It doesn't matter whether you're a basketball player, a tennis player, a gymnast, or a bridge player. The most amazing philanthropists are people people who are actually making a significant sacrifice. Technology is just a tool. In terms of getting the kids working together and motivating them, the teacher is the most important. Be nice to nerds. Chances are you'll end up working for one. Every day is a new beginning. Each day brings new hope, new challenges, but life isn't always easy. We face obstacles and setbacks. Just when we're about to give up, we hear a voice, a strength within calling us to rise again, a friend's support, an inspiring word. Sometimes a small spark is all it takes, and in the end, overcoming challenges brings a joy like no other. Remember, life is a journey of daily battles. You can achieve greatness too. Get up and write your own story.
Did you know 5 seconds can change your life? Let me show you how. The 5-second rule by Mel Robbins is a simple yet powerful tool to overcome procrastination and self-doubt. Whenever you have an impulse to act on a goal, count down from 5 to 1 and immediately move. This interrupts your brain's habit loop and pushes you to act. For example, you want to start exercising? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get up and move. Try it today. Next time you hesitate, just count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and take action. Your dreams are only 5 seconds away.
Study hard, stay focused, and never give up. Your dedication today will be your success tomorrow. Keep pushing forward and remember that every small step counts. You've got this. #Sigma Rule, #motivation, #study hard.
Effective communication skills are essential for personal and professional success. Key components and strategies include active listening, pay attention, show empathy and avoid interrupting, clarity and conciseness, use simple language and be brief, nonverbal communication, maintain positive body language, make eye contact, and ensure facial expressions match the message. Confidence, speak with assurance and prepare well. Empathy, understand others and respond appropriately. Feedback, provide constructive feedback and be open to receiving it. Adaptability, adjust your communication style to fit the audience and context. Open-mindedness, listen to new ideas without judgment. Respect and consideration, acknowledge differences and use polite language. Questioning and clarification, ask questions and seek clarification to avoid misunderstanding. Tips for improvement include practicing regularly, recording and reviewing yourself, learning from others, joining groups like Toastmasters, and reading extensively.
Life is a journey of challenges and victories, where every setback is an opportunity to rise stronger. Success isn't just about reaching the destination, but embracing the journey with resilience and determination. In moments of doubt, remember, every failure is a stepping stone, not a stumbling block. It's the courage to persevere that defines true greatness. Believe in yourself and your dreams, for they are the fuel that propels you forward. Challenges are not meant to break us, but to mold us into who we are destined to become. Embrace each day with a mindset of growth and gratitude. As Winston Churchill wisely said, success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Let these words echo in your heart as a reminder that setbacks are temporary, but the strength you gain from overcoming them lasts a lifetime.
In this video, we will explore the art of harmonizing body, mind, and spirit through the subtleties of deep meditation. We'll delve into the techniques and practices that can help you achieve a state of inner balance and tranquility. Whether you're a seasoned practitioner or just starting out on your meditation journey, you'll find valuable insights and guidance to deepen your practice. Join us as we uncover the transformative power of meditation and discover the profound connection between body, mind, and spirit.
Welcome to our discussion on the power of light, quantum thinking, and creative manifestation. Today, we will delve into the fascinating world of quantum thinking and how it can influence our ability to manifest our creative desires. So, let's explore how harnessing the power of light on a quantum level can enhance our manifestation skills and lead to a more fulfilling and abundant life. It's time to unlock the secrets of the universe and tap into the infinite possibilities that await us. Join us on this journey of discovery and transformation as we uncover the true potential of our minds and the power of creative manifestation through the lens of quantum thinking. Get ready to elevate your consciousness and create the life you've always dreamed of.
In today's video, we're going to dive deep into the world of Zen and happiness, exploring the path to inner peace. Zen philosophy teaches us the importance of living in the present moment, letting go of attachment to outcomes, and embracing simplicity. By practicing mindfulness and meditation, we can cultivate a sense of inner peace and contentment. Join us as we explore the teachings of Zen masters and learn how to find true happiness within ourselves. Get ready to embark on a journey towards inner peace and discover the joy that comes with being truly present in the moment. Let's begin our exploration of Zen and happiness together. In the words of Winston Churchill, success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Napoleon Bonaparte once said, "The strong man is the one who is able to intercept at will the communication between the senses and the mind." Abraham Lincoln famously remarked, "Whatever you are, be a good one." From the great Mahatma Gandhi we learn, "Be the change that you wish to see in the world." Martin Luther King Jr. declared, "The time is always right to do what is right." In the wise words of Eleanor Roosevelt, "The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams." And finally, the brilliant Albert Einstein reminds us, "Strive not to be a success, but rather to be of value."